Hey, Holmes. Hey, man, that's soul, man. I've been smoking since I was born, man. I could smoke anything, man. I think you better light it in here, man.
What?
These gas fumes, man.
Oh, man.
Okay, this is the oil change now. For this, you must make sure you get the right oil. It's a 0-weight-30, fully synthetic, and you must make sure you get the right oil, because if you don't put the right oil in this, it fucks up the what do you call it, the DPF. So the things you'll need is oil filter, seals, catchment, oil filter tool removal, and a 13mm socket or close spanner, whatever. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and nip off this oil filter. Reason being is they're renowned for being welded on these here. So I had a look underneath and there's not much room for this, so I'm going to use a strap. Right, hold on. Right, okay, to use the strap, hope you can still see us. What you do is you get the strap, get it on, oh fuck up, it's quite easy actually. Just bring it back, keep it away from that wee sensor, or wee clip right. Right, so that's as far as I want to go, because it's going to start leaking oil if I do it any more. I'll just tighten that up a wee bit. Right, that's it, just loosened a wee bit. Don't want to empty the oil and not be able to change the filter. Next thing is, don't know if you can see here, is a 13mm socket goes onto there. Okay, so we'll just let that oil trickle away and drain out for about another 10, 15, 20 minutes. Go up, get a cup of coffee or whatever. But I'll just show you this. This is the drain plug. So I wasn't sure which one to buy. Should I buy a brass or rubber? So it looks like it's going to be the rubber washer that's going on this. Right, so there's the new rubber washer seal on the sump plug. So what you want to do is, before you put this on, is you want to smear a wee bit of oil, just the same as you would do with an oil filter. Just let it marry up so it doesn't bend. So that's that sorted. Just waiting now on the oil to drain. So gonna go up for a cup of tea. Okay, tea break over. Then take this off. It's quite awkward to wear that. Oh, come on, don't fuck. Nope. Right. I'll up a few minutes. Come away from that. Okay, so you get a wee bit of oil. Where are you? A wee bit of oil smeared on here. Don't know if you can see that, can you? Aye, smeared on here. The reason why you do this is so when it goes up to the mating surface that you've just cleaned, that the oil glides on. It doesn't bind in, just glides on. That's why you put the oil on the ring. Also, make sure that the old O-ring has came off with the filter. If not, take it off the mating surface. Right, and that's new oil filter back on. So, as you can see, it's still, don't know if you can see that, still wee drips coming out of there. I'm just going to let that drip and drip away. I'm in no rush. I'll just let that drip away until it stops dripping. So I'm in no rush. I'll give that about another 10 minutes and then I'll put the sump nut back on and then we'll start putting the oil in. Alright, so here's the sump. Plug going back in. I've oiled up the wee rubber seal. Just nip that up, nice. Make sure you haven't crossed it, but now make sure when you put this on you don't swing on it, as Dave Sturl always says. No need to swing on nothing really, just nip it up. I'd say that's enough. Right, time to fill it with oil. Now this here van is quite gritty with oil. Looking at the red oxide, depends on what way you fill it. It takes 8.2 or 9.6 something litres, but so we'll put in 5 litres first. See where that takes us in the dipstick. Make sure you get every single last drop out, the price of it. Right, so far I've put, what is it, about 7.5 litres into it. So I'm going to leave it now for about 10 minutes. Clear up here, go up, get a cup of tea, come back down, check the level. Then what I'll do is, if the level's above minimum, I'll turn on the engine for about 5-10 seconds just to let the oil filter fill up and stuff. Then I'll leave it for another wee while and then we'll top it up till it's top. Then we'll take it across the road, leave the engine running for about 5 minutes, and we'll put cardboard underneath. That way we can check, make sure that there's no leaks underneath whatsoever. So basically that there's a oil change. Hope you got something out of it. Cheers. Another way to turn off this light is turn off the ignition. Foot on the brake, foot on the accelerator. Hold them down. And just hold this here for about 20 seconds.
The fuck away off.